Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. Techie. I'm MG, and this channel is all about coding technology and next-gen AI innovations that are shaping the future.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to download SQL Workbench on Windows 11. So for that, let's get started. First of all, open your browser. I opened here Chrome. Search here MySQL. Go to this official website MySQL. Double click over this downloads button here in the navigation bar. Scroll down. Click over this SQL community download. Now click here SQL installer for Windows. Scroll down, download this setup here. Click over this download button. Click over this no thanks, just start my download. Now your downloading will be started over here. I already have this MySQL installer community. Right click over this and click over this open. Then this installer is open. Now click over this custom. Next. From here select MySQL server 8.0.40. Click over this arrow button. Now let's scroll down, go to applications. Here click over this MySQL Workbench, MySQL Workbench 8.0. Here also select same 8.0.40. Select this. Now scroll down to the SQL shell, MySQL shell. Select here 8.0.40. So now you have three: MySQL Server 8.0, 8.0.40, MySQL Workbench, MySQL Shell. Click over this next. Execute.
10 years later.
Now installation is completed. Now click over to the next button. Next. Click over this next. Next. Enter password. Now click over next. Click over next button. By default, yes. Next. Execute. Okay, setup is completed. Now click over this finish button. Then next, it will open shell and also workbench both. So before moving forward, we need to add path also for workbench. So for that, go to your C drive. Program files, MySQL, SQL Server, then bin. Copy over this path header and open your system environment. Go to this environment variables. For system variables, go to this path, double click over this path. Here click over new, paste this path here, click OK, and here OK. Let's close this. Okay, now let's see our installation will be like successfully completed or not. Just search, open your command prompt, right here, right here, MySQL -version version. So here our MySQL 8.0.40 is downloaded here. Now let's activate the MySQL environment. So for that we need to write here some command -u root -p password. Now MySQL is started here. See. Now let's see the default databases. For that, right here, show data databases. Wait, I think I need to add here semicolon. Yes. Now, information underscore schema, MySQL performance schema, SYS. 4 rows are detected here. Now let's create the database here using command. So for that, right here, create create database mg. Okay, now let's see show databases. See here, mg is created over here in the databases table. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video very helpful, then hit like and share, subscribe to the Mr. Techie MG, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.